would bark furiously at Mr. Blackwood's house, hackles raised as if sensing something malevolent. At night, Sarah Johnson would sometimes hear faint chanting carried on the wind from the direction of the Blackwood residence. One evening, while taking out the trash, Tom Johnson saw a flickering light in Mr. Blackwood's window. It looked like candlelight, casting eerie shadows that danced on the walls. The silhouette of Mr. Blackwood moved about, performing what seemed to be a ritual. Curiosity got the better of Tom. He started investigating.
Dear viewers, if you like to watch the scariest horror stories, do subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you.